Hello kids! Today I will teach you how to make very delicious and easy milkshake. A milkshake is a great summer drink and you will need just a few ingredients. So I will use milk, vanilla ice cream, 1 banana, and 5 strawberries. So first of all, I will add milk to the beaker. Milk. I will use a few scoops of ice cream. 1, 2. 2 scoops of ice cream. Let's add strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's peel banana. Let's cut banana. And let's add to beaker. Oops. And now let's blend everything for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's it. So now I have delicious pink milkshake. I will pour it into a glass. Looks so yummy. Enjoy. Goodbye.